Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go couponing at CVS using only our phone so we can take the money we save and immediately pay off our debt. If you have been couponing for over a year and you're still in the same financial situation, you're missing the point and you're missing part of the plan. So yes, doing the coupon deals is a big part of it, right? That's how we're creating so much more breathing room in our budget. But the second half of that is making sure that you're tracking your spending and you're doing something with that money and you're moving it so it doesn't disappear to other random purchases. So at the end of this haul, I'll show you exactly how I track it, how I do it, so that way you can make sure that you are doing start to finish. So you can use couponing as your vehicle to get closer to financial freedom, paying off your debt, growing your emergency fund, whatever you actually want to do. On top of getting the brands and products you actually need. If you're new here, hi, I'm Bree. I help you pay off your debt, grow your emergency fund using only your phone without having to change your lifestyle by using simple digital coupons. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box are completely free digital printable breakdowns. So you can print the breakdown, take it to the store, and follow it step by step for exactly what to do to score these deals. Quick disclaimer, just make sure you are only doing the deals on the products and brands you actually use so you're not wasting your money out of pocket. So let's head inside and take advantage of some amazing deals this week and lots of cash back.
The first thing I'm going to do is the gift card promotion. We're going to start stocking up on gift cards for Christmas. So this week, when you spend $50 on any of these cards here, you are going to get back a $10 extra buck. I think I'm going to grab a DoorDash one because that's something that we use anyways. Or if you're going to be doing the candle day and you're getting the Bath & Body Works candles, grab one of those. Any of these that would make really good gift ideas for friends and family, then definitely pick that. The $10 extra buck we're going to use to lower our cost in our transactions today. So the first deal we're going to do in our next transaction is going to be on Colgate Oral Care. These are on sale 2 for $8 for the smaller ones. Plus, when you buy 2, you'll earn back a $3 extra buck. We're going to grab 2 and clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. So we're going to wind up paying $4, getting back a $3 extra buck. Makes your final cost 50 cents a piece, which is an amazing deal. Next, we're grabbing super cheap disposable razors from Venus and Gillette. They're buy one, get one half off this week. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. I'm going to grab the Paradise. This will be the more expensive product, so it'll be full price. We have a $3 off one digital coupon in the CVS app, so clip that. For the half-priced item, we're going to grab one of these Sensor 3. These are going to ring in at $4.15, and we have a separate $3 off one digital coupon. Total for these two products is going to be $12.54. After the $6 in coupons come off, you'll pay $6.54, earn back the $3 extra buck, makes it only $3.54 for 2 of them, or about $1.79 a piece. Next, we're going to grab 2 of these Revlon nail enamels. They're regular priced at $6.19, but when you buy any 2 Revlon cosmetics, you'll get a $5 extra buck. And guess what? We got a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So grab any 2 of them. After the coupon comes off, you're going to wind up paying $6.38 out of pocket. Earning back the $5 extra buck makes it $1.38 for 2 of them. So these 6 items here are going to be my first transaction. Total is going to be $32.76. Then, after all of my digital coupons come off, I'd be left to pay $16.76. But I have the $10 extra buck from the gift card promotion, and last week I had $5.76 of extra bucks. I'm going to use that to lower my out-of-pocket cost. I'm going to pay $1 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I'll get back the $3 extra buck, $3 extra buck, and $5 extra buck, which we're going to use in our second transaction. Next, we're going to grab the degree deal. So these are buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. What you can do is grab 2 of the stick ones. These are the cheapest at $5.79. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You would wind up paying $5.68 out of pocket. Earning back the $2 extra buck makes it $3.68 for 2 of them. There is a Fetch Rewards bonus as well that I have for $1.50 back when you spend 10. This won't get you all the way there, but it will track towards it. Next, we're going to be doing the Activate Rewards rebate, which is spend $25, get a $10 Visa. So what we're going to do is Neutrogena products. These are my favorite makeup removers, and I only have 1 left in my stockpile, so I'm going to grab 2 of these. They're $7.29 each, and buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. Plus, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so in the CVS app, make sure you click that. Next deal we're going to do is on Neutrogena Cosmetics, which are spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. For the Activate Rewards, I thought it was spend 25, get 10. It's spend 30, get 10. I read it wrong. So we need to have $30 of product value. So I'm going to grab one of these. It's a product I actually want. The cheaper product you can grab would be one of these. This is the only color that works though for the Activate Rewards rebate. You have to click participating products and make sure that the exact product you're grabbing is included. This does work for it, and I've never tried this product. It's $16.49, plus we have a $3 off one digital coupon on the CVS app, so click that. So these are the three products that I'm going to grab. Total is $31.07. We have $7 worth of digital coupons, so we'll pay $24.07 out of pocket, get back the $5 extra buck, $7 extra buck, and $10 Visa from the Activate Rewards rebate. That makes our final cost only $2.07 for all three products. Next deal we're doing on Q-tips, Suave, and deodorants. The body wash, all of these are included plus the chapstick. They're buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $3 extra buck. So I'm going to show you the cheapest way to do it that I found, and then I'm going to show you the way I'm going to do it just because I always tell you guys, especially in my club, you want to make sure that you are doing deals on products that you're actually going to use. You're not just doing deals the cheapest possible way. Because if you're not going to use the product, you're wasting that money. We need Q-tips. We only have one left in our stockpile, so I'm going to get these. This does not work with the coupon. Got to make sure that you're scanning the products on the CVS app. So I'm going to grab this one. It does work with the $4 off 3 digital coupon. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to grab two of these. One of them will be half off. The last product we're going to grab that's actually included is going to be the singles of the chapstick. This is my favorite lip care. It's one of the only ones that I don't have to apply like 100 times a day. So I am absolutely a chapstick fan, and these are $2.19. I'm going to grab this. It does actually work with the coupon for $4 off 3. So let's go over this deal. So these are the three products that I'm grabbing. Total is $10.42. Then we have that $4 digital coupon come up. So I'll pay $6.42, earn back the $3 extra buck. Plus on Fetch Rewards, you'll get $2.50 back when you spend $7. That's going to make my final cost just 92 cents for all three products. And these are ones that I actually use. Another option that would be cheaper would be to grab these single Suave deodorants. They're $3.19, buy one, get one half off. So grabbing 3 of them would bring you to $7.97. We have that 4 off 3 digital coupon. So you would pay $3.97, get back a $3 extra buck, and $2.50 from Fetch Rewards. That would make it free and over a $1.50 moneymaker. The next deal we're doing is going to be on the spend 30, get $10 back, and there's a ton of products included. As a mama, you know I'm always going to add one with diapers, so Huggies are buy one, get one half off, and they are included in the promotion. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app that you're going to clip. Next, we're going to grab one of the Dawn Power Wash for $5.99. Now, it shows in the weekly ad that there's supposed to be a $2 digital coupon that works on this or this, which is the one that I was going to grab, but I'm not showing it on my account. So what I'm going to do is use the $2 off one digital coupon that's on the Coupons 24 app, which is free to download. That one only works on the Dawn Power Wash, so I'm going to grab one of these so I don't have any issues at checkout. The last product we're going to grab that is included to get us over the $30 mark is going to be the 42 count Gain Flings on sale for only $9.99. Plus, we have a $3 digital coupon in the CVS app. So let's go over this deal. These are the 4 products I'm grabbing, the Huggies, the Dawn, and the Gain. Total is going to be $35.46. We're over $30, so we're good to go. We will get back the $10 extra buck. Then for digital coupons, we have $8 worth of digital coupons. You'll pay $27.46 out of pocket, earn back the $10 extra buck, makes your net cost $17.46 for 4 products, or only $4.36 a piece. That is an insane deal, especially for Huggies diapers. All right, we are back in from CVS. Everything went amazing at checkout. All of my digital coupons and everything came off. So let me show you real quick my receipts. My first transaction, I did the Colgate, the Gillette and Venus, and the Revlon. Used my extra bucks that I had on my account, and my digital coupons came off. Would have paid
$3.06 out of pocket. That's it. Then I earned back all of my extra bucks for doing those deals. They printed at the register. I rip them off my receipt, immediately gave it to the cashier for my second transaction. So my second transaction, I did the Activate Rewards deal and the Degree deodorant. Used all of the extra bucks that I just earned, would have paid $21 out of pocket. I had a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I paid nothing out of pocket, zero. Then submitted over to Activate Rewards to get the $100 Visa gift card back for those products, which is amazing. Also submitted to Fetch Rewards to track towards the degree bonus that I have on my account. Finally, I did the rest of the deal. So I did the Spend 30 deal, and then I also did Q-tips and the Suave and such. So all the digital coupons came off. This is the coupon from the Coupons 24 app. I had her scan that. Extra bucks came off. Digital coupons came off. Used the rest of my Fetch Rewards gift card that I had. So I only paid $4.06 out of pocket. So what we're going to do is head home. We are going to log our transactions in our simple digital budget spreadsheet so we can see exactly how much money we saved. Then we're going to take that money and immediately make it as a payment towards our debt. Transfer it to your high yield savings account to grow your emergency fund. Whatever you are personally doing with your savings, do not leave it in your checking account. So many of my members in my Debt Free with Digital Coupons Club used to do that before they joined me in the club. Now they immediately do something with their savings. That is how you're able to use couponing as your vehicle to really take you and your family to the next level financially. So let's head home and we'll do that together. All right, we're back home from CVS. So what we're going to do is open up our digital budget spreadsheet. So this is the one that I personally had made because I wanted it to include couponing, obviously, all the cash back, factoring that in correctly. So if you want this spreadsheet, I'll link it above where it says get spreadsheet here. You're welcome to grab it. It's $8. On the left-hand side, you're going to be doing all of your tracking. So where you're going to be doing all of your different transactions, your electric, your water, your cell phone bill, TV bill, mortgage, rent, all those kinds of things. And then in the middle, it's going to be where we're logging all of our coupon trips. So we're going to do one line per receipt. Now, I'm not logging the gift card receipt because that's coming out of a different budget. That's going to be coming out of my holiday budget because I'm going to be using that as a gift. So the other 3 transactions that we did, we're going to go ahead and log it. If you buy the spreadsheet as well, it comes with trainings. I sat down and broke down each of the tabs, how to use it, so that way you feel confident with making sure that you're entering in the info the right way. So the first thing we're going to do is put in the date. So it is the 3rd. In the drop down, you're going to pick the store. Now, sale price is all of the sale prices of everything in that transaction. So for example, in the first transaction, we had Colgate, which was 2 for $8. We also had the Gillette Sensor 3, which was $8.39. We also had the Venus, which was half of that. Then we had 2 of the Revlon nail polishes. So total sale prices is $32.92. That's what we're going to put in right here. Out of pocket, how much did you swipe your card for? I paid $3.06, and then I did not earn any cash back on this one. Next transaction was $39.76 worth of products on sale. Out of pocket, nothing. Cash back, $10 for that Visa Activate Rewards rebate. And my last transaction is $46.19 worth. Out of pocket after the use of a gift card was $4.06. And then cash back on this one, $0. Now, we did get back $2.50 from Fetch Rewards for this one, but I don't look at that as cash back because it's gift cards. So I like to look at everything like, can I use it to pay off my debt? I can't pay off my debt with a gift card, but if you don't want to look at it that way and you want to look at the gift card as cash back, you can redeem it for things like CVS, Amazon, AMC theaters. There's a bunch of different things. It's just totally up to you how you want to view your gift cards and view Fetch Rewards. So in total, it shows that I saved over 100% because here we made $10 on this transaction. So we're still positive about $3. So we made money today by shopping at CVS, making sure that we're stacking our deals. Now, the amount of money that I just saved, I'm going to immediately open up my Nelnet student loans and I'm going to make that as an additional payment. If I leave this money in my checking account, it's going to disappear to random Amazon purchases, extracurriculars for the kids, ice cream dates, you name it. So you've got to make sure that you immediately do something with that money, put it towards your debt, transfer it to your high yield savings account for your emergency fund, whatever the case may be. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.